masinde mag robots mano bage piny Amerika mbalariany ma Lawrence Technology e boma Michigan. Piemno manyiso lony ne oneno ka pinje duto yuoro manyiso lony mag weche mag loso masinde go. Kara timno mane oting'o bendera mar Kenya tieko namba 3 ka ginyiso lony kendo Kenya e weche mag teko to kod lony ma nyasani. Tim mar Kenya ne onyiso kaka inyalo ti gi taxi e cholo jowuoth kod mwandu ma ok oriemb gi ng'ato.
St. Lawrence Technological University, and also we learned multiple skills. We learned this competition was not easy. To bring this trophy was not easy. It was also a tough competition, and we learned a lot of stuff.
It is hard work. God has rewarded us. It is exciting. We as parents who are here, for the students who went for the RoboFest, we are feeling honored for the hard work that has been rewarded.
The boys had a very great experience, learning from the best in the world, among them Hong Kong, China, the US, Canada. Out of all these, we were able to take position 3. We bring home a lot of experience. As you know, the world now is going artificial intelligence and machine learning.